had a mommy makeover, and which included breast augmentation, tummy tuck, and the Brazilian butt lift. Also, I had fat inserted in my cheeks to reduce some of the wrinkles under my eyes. The fact my breasts are firmer and higher and firmer. My tummy tuck is my tummy's flat, whereas it hasn't been for years because I had four babies. I don't have to worry about the bulges. You know, I don't have to worry about the muffin tops anymore. I can wear just about anything, even tight clothing, and I don't have a muffin top. And then the buttocks, even as a young girl, I never had the butt that I wanted to, you know, so it's probably better than what I had in my 20s in some ways. I can tell a huge difference, and I was feeling uncomfortable in a bathing suit and even in front of my husband, and now I feel great. I looked on the internet and looked at reviews. The fact that he was recognized nationally as an exceptional plastic surgeon, those are the things that I gravitated towards. And the fact that he was able to do it all at once was even better, because even though I know that it was a lot, to have to go through multiple surgeries was not feasible for me. I had to lose time from work and recovery time. I probably would not have gone through with it if I had to do it individually. And I had another consultation with another doctor before, and that's the way he would have had to have done it, is separate, and I would not have been satisfied with that. He was very wonderful and very professional and very knowledgeable, and he didn't, you know, his bedside manner per se was wonderful. He connected well with me and my husband. Everybody was very professional. Even, you know, it's always awkward when but I didn't feel awkward at all. I felt very comfortable. I didn't feel in any way